Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a highlight of how I spent my weekend. Unbox with me my Samsung Flip phone. Visit the Giraffe Center with me. And let's go for a pizza date with my family. Please don't forget to like, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. This phone comes with a charging cable, but no adapter charger. It uses a single SIM card, so be ready to do away with those 3 or 4 SIM you have. Clearer picture advice, please. Always wipe your camera before taking any photos. Thank me later. Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe. And watch out for my next video, which is part of this vlog. Watch out for part 2 and 3. Bye, see you.